Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. It's time to show how to create an outbound order. Click on the outbound order. Click on Add Order the first way. First thing to do is select the customer and choose the order type. Select the carrier and the ship method. Returns can be collect, prepaid, or third party. And reference number. So Shift 2, and add the item line. Select the title and the quality, and also the goods type. Once you create the number, you're going to process inventory commitment. You have the commitment and DN51. Submit. Create an order plan. Select the pick. Then assign the pick type and add the order. Create a pick strategy. Create a task and release. Once you release the task, the user will be receiving a task on the app on a pick task, so DN51 can start the picking process. It is asking to go to location 01021. Scan the location, and it is asking for 10 each. Scan the LP. Confirm the quantity. Print the label, and submit. If you look at the Review tab, you can see all the information from the order. Once you are done, and close this step, if you go back to the DN51, the status of the DN will update. You pick what you want. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.